Welcome to May's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of May. The number of active listings was up 34% from 1 year earlier and up 5% from the previous month. This continued upward trend reflected a healthy inventory for buyers to choose from. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $300,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was up 65%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just over $260,000. The number of units sold decreased 28% year over year and increased 6% month over month. Despite a slight annual decrease, this upward monthly sales trend indicates positive momentum. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.